Human resource management, the foundation of organizational success. Welcome everyone. Here we are starting an important journey into human resource management. When we talk about organizational success, many people immediately think about money, technology, or buildings. But the real foundation of any successful organization is people. Human resource management focuses on managing people in a way that helps both the organization and the employees grow together. In this lesson, we'll try to understand what is human resource management, why it matters, and how it connects people with organizational success. One important question. Before we understand human resource management, let's start with you. Think for a moment. What do you expect from a job? Most people expect a supportive and safe working environment, fair salary and benefits, opportunities for career growth, and a healthy work-life balance. These expectations are not random. They directly shape how satisfied and motivated an employee feels. HRM exists to understand these expectations and design systems that meet both employee needs and organizational goals. When it comes to organizations, an organization is a group of people working together to achieve common objectives. Organizations need people to achieve their goals and objectives as the way they plan. At the same time, people need organizations to achieve goals they cannot accomplish alone. This mutual dependence creates a strong connection between people and organizations. This is why people are always at the center of organizational success. Human resource management is a subset of management. This means it is one part of the overall management process. When it comes to organizations, they use different types of resources, such as money, material, machines, and people. Among all these, human resources are special because people can think, learn, and make decisions. Managers use functions like planning, organizing, leading, and controlling to guide people at work. When these functions are applied properly, people turn plans and resources into actual results, such as products and services. So, human resource management makes sure people are guided, supported, and managed in the right way so this transformation happens effectively. Then, what is this human resource management? Human resource management is an essential function of management, as we already know, and a responsibility shared by all managers. This is because every manager works with people, guiding them, supporting them, and evaluating their performance, not just the HR department. Human resource management focuses on managing people within organizations and deals with the philosophy, principle, policies, and practices related to the human side of management. It influences how people are recruited, trained, motivated, and treated at work. The main aim of HRM is to achieve organizational objectives through the efficient and effective use of human resource. Simply, human resource management is about managing people in the best possible way so both employees and organization can succeed. Let's see the definitions of human resource management. Human resource management can be described as the philosophy, policies, procedures, and practices related to managing people within an organization. It also viewed as a method of maximizing economic returns from labor by integrating HR practices with business strategies. Overall, human resource management can be recognized as the process of utilizing human resource efficiently in order to achieve organizational goals and objectives effectively. Human resource management is really about balancing two things at the same time. On one side, employees need to be capable. This means they should have the right skill, the right knowledge, and the right mindset to handle their jobs properly. They need to know what to do, how to do it, and why they are doing it. But capability alone is not enough. On the other side, employees also need to feel satisfied. They should feel comfortable at work, motivated to give their best, and confident about staying with the organization. When people valued and supported, they naturally perform better. Now, think about what happens when this balance is missing. If employees are skilled but unhappy, they may perform well for a short time, but sooner or later they will leave the organization. On the other hand, if employees are happy but lack the required skills, they may stay, but the quality of work will suffer. That's why human resource management focuses on both sides together. Building skills and creating satisfaction must happen at the same time. Only then organizations can achieve long-term success. Human resource management does not stop after hiring someone. In fact, hiring is only the beginning. People are first attracted to the organization, then they are selected and placed in the right roles. After that, they are trained to improve their skills and understanding of the job. But training alone is not enough. Employees also need motivation. When people feel encouraged, recognized, and supported, they are more willing to put in effort and stay committed to their work. Retention then become important. Keeping good employees help maintain stability and experience within the organization. This process keep repeating as the organization grows and change. Each stage support next. Training improves performance, motivation increases commitment, retention helps the organization move forward without constant disruption. This continuous cycle helps organization build strong people, strong teams, and strong performance over time. As the cycle continues, human resource management responsibilities can be clearly grouped into three main pillars. The first pillar is attracting quality workforce. This is about bringing the right people into the organization from the very beginning. The second pillar focuses on developing employees. Once people join the organization, their skills and abilities need to grow. The third pillar is maintaining and retaining talented employees. This means creating a work environment where people want to stay. These three pillars are connected. When the right people are hired, properly developed, and well supported, the organization becomes stronger and more competitive over time. Once the focus is on attracting the right people, everything begins with planning. Organizations first take time to identify what type of employees they actually need. This includes the number of people, the skill required, and the roles they are expected to perform. After that, recruitment comes into the stage. Recruitment helps organizations reach potential candidates and create a pool of suitable applicants. From this group, selection takes place. This is where the organization carefully chooses the most suitable person for the job. The idea behind all of these is very simple. Bringing the right person into right job at the right time. So both the employee and the organization can succeed. Hiring good people is only the beginning. What really matters is how those people grow after joining the organization. Developing a quality workforce means turning raw talent into skilled performers. Of course, this usually starts with induction and orientation, where new employees are introduced to the organization and its culture. Then comes socialization, helping them feel comfortable and become part of the team. When it comes to training and development build skills and confidence. Skill enhancement prepares employees for future roles. Performance management keeps track of employees' progress and provide feedback. Step by step, employees move from learning to perform. And that's how quality is developed. That's how an organization can have quality workforce. When it comes to maintaining a quality workforce, the third pillar of HRM, developing employees is important, but keeping them is just as really important. Maintaining a quality workforce is about fairness, support, and long-term commitment. Here, career development gives employee a sense of future growth. Reward management ensures fair pay and benefits. Health and safety protect physical and mental well-being. Grievance handling and employee relations help manage conflict and maintain trust. So when employee feels supported and treated fairly, they are more likely to stay and perform well. Here we can identify that human resource management covers many important activities. It starts with human resource planning, deciding how many people are needed and what skills they should have. Job analysis define what each jobs involve. Recruitment and selection bring the right people into the organization. Socialization and orientation help new employees settle in. Training and development improves skills. Performance management track and improve performance. Reward and pay plans motivate employees. Health and safety protect them. Employee relations and services focus on well being and harmony at work. All these functions work together to manage people effectively.